Finishing up the floating bed build, I threw a rug on the floor to protect my precious floor. Then I put the base on the rug and proceeded to screw the headboard to the base of the bed frame and put on some LED lights at the back as well. And it was time to roll out the mattress. So I went ahead and I got that started, hoping that the mattress would actually fit and that I had all my measurements correct. But I had to wait about 48 hours to find out, and it turns out it did fit after it fully expanded. Wait for the snap. Wow, would you look at that? Isn't that amazing? I didn't even have to sell any body parts to build this. I'll have the whole build on this bed coming up pretty soon on YouTube, so like, share, follow, or subscribe. But only if you're cool and you want to see more cool stuff like this. Or don't. But no, really you should.